Good day, gentlemen. Today it's the great day. That's why I'm gonna put the steel sheet on the top of the roof. So for the past week and this morning, we are Saturday the 31st of August, the last day of the month. I finished put the all the shingle to the level everything. So that step right now. So I'm gonna put that on the top of the roof and see how it fits. So stay along. The type of I'm just too close right now. The type of panel I've got, it's the correct one. It's America Canada panel, and it's just I just had a glitch. I didn't remember how, but I was okay. It's that one here. Just gonna look at it. It's that one here. So it's America Canada, and that's how I have to screw. But I was wondering which one is doing on the top of each other. So no, I was okay. So that's good. Better. Whoops. Better make sure than sorry. I'm just gonna clean that a little bit. Okay, so it's the last one. See how it fits. All right. Just double check something. Okay. The good news is it's all covered. It's nice and square. I'm really happy. However, my my roof is 12 by 12 square, and when I ordered the steel sheet, they told me then yes, make it 12 by 12, since every sheet measure 3 feet each, so 3 times 4, that means 12 feet. And however, I didn't take a look at it. It's 144, all right, but it's not 144. It's 100 and just I forgot that it's 2 inches more. It's 146, so I've got 2 inches to add, so it's no problem. What I will end up doing is well, I forgot the name. That's me. The package will come with the sheet, and by the way, they are Canadian made. They made here in where is it? Made in Canada. It's ideal. I'll show you that. They are made in Canada. It's ideal roofing, idéal recouvrement, made in Canada, fabriqué au Canada, and it's 4 times 144 total. Okay, that's the length. Yeah, that's what I forgot. It's the length. So I'm gonna use the framing. I'm gonna put on each side. It's gonna be better like this. It's gonna be almost like I was left in the impression last video that I was putting an aluminum skirt. I won't. I will just do install that instead. It was a good thing I didn't bought it yet. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right. So thanks. I'm very happy. I mean, it's a nice finishing, and now. What I will do, I will finish that and stay on, right? So I installed the rafter, not the rafter, but the finisher hinge. It's almost acting like a skirt. It's a wooden skirt on each side. I just installed it by one nail. I'm gonna show you a closer look, and then I'm gonna shut down the camera because there's nothing boring than I've got 2 full box of these to screw. It's I did a roughly calculation. It's 180 screws I have to. It's number 9. It's 2-inch long. It's the for the steel roof with a rubber cap. So it's sealed. So I'm very happy about the result. The all the steel roof. Everything is even. So I'm gonna show you as a closer look. So it's better to set the camera. So alright, take you along. Okay, first of all, the reason I'm not gonna put a skirt at the end because it's a round shape. It's not straight, it's round, so it would be really tough to cut a piece of wood and it's not required. It's gonna be as long as it's dry, and the rain, it's not gonna drop on the wood because it's a good 2-inch. You see my finger? Just hold on. You see my finger? It's tough to see. Just hold on. With the measuring tape, that will be lovely. It's on purpose. When I did the roof, I knew it's 1 inch. My tape is dirty, but it's 1 inch too long, so that's good. The water is gonna drop, and it ain't gonna touch that. If it's raining like this, yeah, maybe I'm gonna do it, but we'll see. All right. So you can see the end there. It's just a little bit, and the water will go like this. It's gonna drop. I'm gonna bend a little bit the end there, so it's all nice and straight. I'm just gonna show you that. Here it's a little bit more, but you can see It's tough to see, but you have an idea. That piece is really straight. You can see it there. So everything matched very well. And at the end, I'm very impressed. Oh, the wood will be dry. Same thing on the end. So you can see here, there's a little the steel roof. It's over the piece of wood, and it's also very nice and straight. So like to do everyone, showing myself. No, just kidding. So this is it for now. So I will do that and see you later. I'll maybe keep the camera running, and that's it.